How to search messages on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to search messages on Instagram. To start, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. If you already have an account, make sure you are logged in. Otherwise, you will need to sign up by following the on-screen instructions. On the home page, you can access your inbox in two ways. Either swipe right on the screen or tap the messenger icon in the top right corner. Both will take you to your messages section. At the very top of your inbox, you will notice a search bar. This feature allows you to quickly find any conversation or contact without having to scroll through all your messages. Then, tap on the search bar and type the name of the person, group, or account you are looking for. As you type, Instagram will suggest chats and accounts that match your search. Once you see the chat you are looking for, you can select it. If there are multiple conversations related to your search, tap on See All in Messages to expand the results and browse more options. This is especially helpful if you have several similar usernames or multiple ongoing chats. After selecting the chat, Instagram will open the full conversation, showing you all the messages exchanged. From here, you can read past messages, send new ones, share photos or videos, and even start voice or video calls if needed. This search feature is particularly useful if you have a long list of chats or if you want to quickly jump back into an older conversation without scrolling endlessly. It makes communication on Instagram much more efficient and organized. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.